Hello, in this video we will discuss how we can calculate percentage change between two values. Here we have two values, quarter 2 and quarter 1. Let's click on the cell where you want to calculate the percentage change. Press equal to sign, bracket start, new value minus old value, bracket close, divided by old value. Press enter, go to home tab and select this percentage sign, and then adjust how many decimal places you want to see. Here we have selected two decimal places. Select and drag this cell to the other cells. Percentage change is calculated. Here the minus sign indicates that the sales in quarter 2 has dropped as compared to quarter 1. Otherwise, in all other cells, it is showing positive value, means change is positive.